Hello friends, welcome to Wisdom Jobs. This is Rupesh Jadhav again, along with a new tribes of Arunachal Pradesh, that is Nyishi tribe or Dafla tribe. Okay, so I have already made a small video on Mompo tribe. Okay, and also some questions on Arunachal tribe. Okay, so if you have not watched, please go through those videos also. That will be very much helpful. And some mnemonics I have told you, some shortcuts I have told in that video, how to remember these points. So here also, this video is very much helpful for the people who are studying for graduation, for intermediate level, for various competitive exams, and also some people who are doing research on some tribes of India. So this is very much helpful for those. So without wasting time, let's go through our new tribes. So the today's tribe is Nyishi or Bangani or Dafla tribe. Those are the same. Nyishi and Dafla are the same. One amendment was done in the parliament, I think in 2008. So both are put in the same group and considered to be the same one as scheduled tribe. Okay, so this is the photo which I have taken from travelideaindia.com. Okay, so they speak Tibeto-Burman language. Okay, Tibet plus Burma, that is Myanmar language of the Sino-Tibetan family. They belong to Sino-Tibetan family. Then their main occupation was slash and burning agriculture, that is somewhat like shifting agriculture. Okay, and with hunting and fishing. So along with this, hunting and fishing is also done by these people. Then descent is traced along with the paternal lines. Now one more important thing is there, they have single lineage. एक ही घर में सब लोग रहते हैं. Okay, दादा पुरखे यानी परदादा परदादा के फिर दो भाई, उनके सब एक ही फैमिली में रहते हैं जब तक कि वो जीते, वो अलग नहीं रहते. हाँ, दे कंस्ट्रक्ट अ लॉन्ग हाउस. ओके, एंड इन दैट लॉन्ग हाउस देयर इज नो पार्टीशन. दिस इज द वेरी मच इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग अबाउट दिस ट्राइब. दे कंस्ट्रक्ट अ लॉन्ग हाउस made up of that wood and that grasses in that way, a very long house, no partition is there, everybody sleep in the same long house, everybody stay there. Okay, but there is something, what there might be the small family, nuclear family might be there. Okay, कि इसका भतीजा उसका वो तो, but paternal, सब पिताजी की तरफ से आए हुए, दादाजी की तरफ से आए हुए. So and they put a fire near about while sleeping, they put fire near that family, particular family, that this family, one brother, this another brother, this another brother. Okay, in that way, and they put fire as a demarcation that here this family is sleeping, here that family is sleeping, here that family stays, that way. So the fireplace separate each other from this for each conjugal family or nuclear family. And one more thing, like other tribes, they don't have any social organization. Here there is no formal social organization. Unlike other families, unlike other tribes, they don't have any social organization. They don't have any social organization or village government. Okay, this what we say paternal line or the single lineage family, they itself organized, they control the family. Okay, so there is no such government like other tribes have, and they, instead of worshipping any god, they actually worship the spirits. Okay, so they believe in spirits and associated, that spirits are associated with nature. All the activities like taking birth, during death, during marriage ceremony, or any someone get ill, so all to cure that illness, so they visit, they perform the prayers for these spirits. Okay, so good spirits and evil spirits, they believe in that, and they don't have any temple, so that those spirits are related with nature in that way. कितना भी बड़ा, कितनी भी बीमारी हो, वो उन्हीं के पास जाते हैं कि हमें बचाओ. Okay, in that way. So regarding this Dafla tribe or Nyishi tribe, you should have some point in mind that the bill was put in parliament in 2008 to consider both as a scheduled tribe. Then the second one, patriarchal lineage is there, single family, long house, in that one family is staying of one patriarchal descent, and more important, there are small nuclear families in that long house. Okay, so and there is no partition also. That is very much surprising. So I think this is very much helpful for you people to understand what is the Nyishi or Dafla or Bangani tribes. Okay, and definitely this might have done some value addition in your information. So इस बात पे तो like, comment and share तो बनता ही है, and also subscribe my channel Wisdom Jobs. Thank you.